In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and print checks in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to enter a check properly and send it to your printer with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company, your printer is connected, and you have the correct check stock ready, typically voucher checks with 1 check and 2 stubs. Let's start by heading into QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, we'll use the Create or New menu. Choose Check. This opens the check form where you'll enter the details. First, pick the bank account the check will be drawn from. Then select the payee. If it's a new payee, you can add them on the fly. Check the payment date and make sure the check number field is accurate. If you plan to print the check from QuickBooks, turn on Print Later. This queues the check for printing and lets QuickBooks assign the correct number when you print. If you're recording a check you've already handwritten, type the exact check number here and leave Print Later off. Enter the amount and complete either the category details for expense accounts or the item details if you're paying for specific products or services. Add a memo if you want it to appear on the check or in your records. Review everything carefully: bank account, payee, date, amount, and categories. Then save. Save and close is perfect if you're done, or save and new if you have more checks to record. Next, return to the Create or New menu and select Print Checks. Choose the bank account you're printing from and confirm the starting check number matches the first check in your physical stack. You'll see a list of checks marked to print. Select the ones you want. If this is your first time printing, QuickBooks may prompt you to choose your check style, typically voucher, and walk you through a quick setup. Now follow the on-screen confirmations. Use the alignment tool if prompted. Print a sample on plain paper, hold it over a real check, and adjust until the fields line up. Confirm your printer settings. Paper size is usually letter, and portrait orientation is standard. Click Preview and Print, and send the job to your printer. When QuickBooks asks if the check's printed correctly, confirm. If something looks off, choose the option to reprint, fix the alignment or starting number, and try again. Once confirmed, QuickBooks marks those checks as printed so your numbering stays accurate. That's it. Record the check, print it cleanly, and you're set. Keep your check numbers in sequence, always review details before saving, and you'll maintain tidy, reliable records in QuickBooks Online.